Okay, we'll be there.
A few moments later.
Hi, Ruby. Hi. Hi.
Guys, I feel like we should talk, like interact with each other, not just look at our phones.
Stop using your phone.
Okay.
Did you know that Philippines is the second country that spend the most time in the internet?
In my ICT subject, I also learned that social media and global communication is important for education, entertainment.
Same, because my sister works in a bank and she uses the internet in business and telecommunication.
You know that it's easier now because we're using Web 4.0.
So, what happened before Web 4.0?
Web 3.0 is actually more advanced because users and authors can interact with each other on real time rather than Web.1 and Web.2. And then after that, we could use Web 4.0 for the convergence of technology, and then this technology could be used for the disabled people or the people with like impairments.
Are you tired of pop-ups? Are you sick of lag due to viruses? Have you had enough with your PC getting corrupted? Say no more. Our antivirus program is the solution to all your problems. No more viruses from spam emails. No more information theft. No more people getting unauthorized access on your computer or online. Enjoy your time exploring on the interwebs, but remember, use it wisely.
Ruby, can you help me search?
I'm playing. Ask Lara.
Lara! 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 Lara, can you help me search? I'm making notes for my statistics subject, but I can find an accurate one. Lara! Lara!
From what I learned, there are tricks in Google to help you search more effectively. So why don't you come over here and I'll show you how. So what you want to do first is go to Google, and then you go to the bottom right and press settings, and then you press advanced search. So there are gonna be boxes here that can help you specify your search. So if you want to look for something specific, this advanced search trick can help you with your notes.
Thank you, Lara.
I lost the game.
Since you're done with your game, can you help me know if the sources are reliable? Please, Ruby.
Well, you should check the date and when it was published. Also, if the website is reputable.
What do you mean reputable?
Reputable means they give unbiased information.
Thanks to you guys, I can now search engine properly.
You're welcome.
1, 2, 3, go. So that's okay. Wait, usap.
Rock and roll to the world.
So So that's it for our vlog today.
Thank you for listening. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Or not.